All right, traders, George here, and just a quick recap. We just got out of the live room, a real great session this morning. A lot of time to talk about psychology, but also some nice performance from the basic process of following signals off the DSR models in these key day trade markets. And just to show you how powerful all that is, this is what happened in just 2.5 hours. $1,420 on 45 trades, 62% win ratio. Take a look at this, gang. For the graphs here, you can see the losers contained in a very tight range, so no big losses at all. A couple of small winners equalize a lot of these guys here. Then some of the winners starting to get larger than the largest losers here, putting it into positive expectancy. And then a big outlier up here did all the heavy lifting. And that's all that it takes is a couple of these big moves. This one happened to be in gold with that nice pop that we saw. So just a handful of trades there across the four markets and some nice expectancy. Just 2.5 hours of trading too, by the way. And then lastly, let me make mention that a lot of the gains coming from the long side, and this is when the equity markets were gapping up and already up at the open, right? The Dow's up 92 right now. The market's gapped up. Oil had actually been rallying up off its recent lows as well. So even though the markets were trending up for oil, the NASDAQ, and the mini Russell, a lot of the gains came on the long side. And then the biggest trade on the gold front, which is selling off, actually was to the long side as well. Really a case about trade what you see, not what you feel, think, or hear. So all about the visuals, the DSR model there, 2.5 hours in the live room this morning. Just knocked out over $1,400. That'll do it for now. We'll see you guys back in the live room tomorrow.